Mama.
I beg. Victoria, you only want me when I have mullah.
Of course.
When I don't have mullah, you're no longer my friend. Alright, Victoria.
How can I help you?
It is my husband.
My husband.
You see, we've been with Robinson for a very long time.
Money?
Yes, and he was faithful to me all this time. And you know what? Every time I could hear people say, your husband Wednesday, your husband Wednesday. I didn't know what it meant. I beg. Then, one time, I used to tell people, whoever cared to listen, my husband Wednesday, my husband Wednesday. Then one time somebody go, Obina, I was like, what are you saying? He said, do you know what the word Wednesday means? I tell them, yes. Then they went like, hey, Wednesday means somebody who does not keep his zip up. Somebody who keeps on popping it left, right, and center. Hey! Victoria, I died. Then sorry. Victoria, now this man has been cheating on me. You know, they used to tell me to learn Lugondo, to watch Bukene TV. Every time I'm watching Kim Kardashian, instead of learning Lugano yes. Now after telling me that, I go back home. I sit and I'm like, hey, what is going on? I was watching Bukete. There is this program called Abanonia. Does anybody know Abanonia? You know Abanonia? You know Abanonia? You know, you know Abanonia. Everybody knows Abanonia come from me. What do I see on TV, Victoria? El Labachi. Robinson.
Oh, Musema.
My husband.
Oh, Musema.
My husband on national television. Do you know what he was doing? He was walking. Simanyanga, I'm single. Simanyanga, such So Joy is money I live where, oh my God.
No money.
At first I didn't recognize him. Then the camera started from the downport. It zoomed into the hoops. I was like, these are my husband's hoops. Then I stayed on Mukenge. Then it went up. I looked at the midsection. That is my area of speciality. This might be my Robinson. Then my heart started pumping like this. It went up. It went up to the Jones that I bought him. The last time I went to Dubai, I bought him a Jones. This is what he was wearing. Then it zoomed in the face. I saw the signature tune of their family. The nose. I was Tafiakwa. This is my husband. Then they pulled out their face and I saw your Robinson Wong.
So now what are we going to do?
I don't know what to do. But you know what? We Nigerian women, we do not whine when our men cheat on us.
You don't cry?
Unless
what have you been crying?
Unless I'm not Obina, daughter of Okoponkopo, granddaughter of Okereke. He's going to see me in a new dimension.
What are you going to do?
I planned for him.
What?
I am going to cut off.
Cut off? Mama Robinson Inga. I am
going to cut off the offender. But before I do that, you know when I called him, he's not going to do it again. He swore upon his ancestors. Then I'm like, I'm not stupid. Then I set a trap. I want to catch him ready-handed to bring a beautiful chick to see if he cannot resist it.
Why are you waking up a sleeping dog?
What?
Why are you waking up a sleeping dog?
I want to see whether it bites.
Okay. Let me call this.
Where is this boy? What is this mumu? Where is this mumu? Where are you
at? Musiru gwebe byenjageza kuyisamu ebikati kiki kyosaba tuli ku bintu by'amagezi mujala alina obuzibu olya omumpa nguwekwe ekyo yina kyewateresa saba obusiru bw'okugamba okujja mukuzuza ogenda pima ni mwana wange okatandika okumanya ebyamanyira gabagenda manyira bali abakomanira kati kamule bikande mu wakabagana misimba amannyo okugenda mu mayina n'ababa ngamanyi gondisa gonda biriro okatandika osaba ilebe watereza tolo kwa mwana ndo.
Ekikulembe.
Kumanye chinga obusiru. Yabo kwacho kwa banze kuisamu embi. Nibanga wate amesisa ngo bechiti kuisamu.
Gwobe mademe tumekusaba kati kwenyeza kusaba.
Obatu osabachi.
Kati kwa mademe nyi. Ngamba ngulide nnyo. Nsaba chichi. Nsaba kesi zange zoya zikaluliko ogende Masaka.
Kati bata iza kuchinga manga tuliyeri pale bata ina kuchinga.
Kati watu zileta tuliyeri pale. Bakesi.
Bakubuzi oli.
Where is that goal? I don't have time, eh?
Yeah.
Wamuleseri wa mutati.
Where is that goal?
Tamanyiru.
Tafia kwa.
Wali.
What is she? What is
Mwala chigolese.
No say Sharon.
Sharon?
Yeah.
What Sharon?
Sharon chi.
Sharon O.
Sharon O.
Sharon O.
Sharon.
Sharon.
Aliwa.
There is nothing that is interesting like So tell me, Sharon,
What?
Tony now work on these days. I told you were going to seduce our man. Look at what you're wearing.
But Obina,
Hey,
have you forgotten me?
somehow, Madame Kukunumo,
Madam Kukunamo?
give it to us. I want to see.
Madame Kukuna.
Is there any man?
Wow, sexy mama.
Tochuka baja kuisala sente.
Komanichi, osanga nakuzura kwekali.
I can see. Everything is in place.
Obina, kena kwata kumusajja oyo.
Hey,
Amaisha gena mukola.
nothing in Hey,
I'm
like
going
it
to
hot.
touch him. Yes. Caress him.
Hey, that's Sharon.
Asonga chirabe.
That's Sharon.
Aliwa. Obina. Twala. Yenga tewali waka.
Nakusonda.
Obina, yes, I need to be more romantic. Wano mu Uganda, try kuchesinga okubera romantic.
Basoga.
Basoga.
Basoga baba kunairo emobulobozi.
Those are good for other
Bajja
things.
kubeera abaliwe bati
Machukuyu.
Bachukuyu baba.
Machukuyu.
Are they the Kakwa?
Kakwa.
No, I know. The Batoro.
Yeah.
The Batoro women.
Batoro,
They
yes.
told me that when a Batoro women gets hold of your mouth like this, just forget about him. Tafia.
Obina, now you're looking at Motoro. Akiki.
Banange.
Waliyo muzungu omutoro banakkiriza.
Mulekoli kyasazeewo.
Aliwo mwami. Where's the man?
Bring that mumu.
Kamulekani mufeewo. Abasanga. Weteke. Mulete. Wekwese.
Okawa matama. Omulese. Omanyi kino ekiwala kyantamye ekyo kyobina. Obina yantama awunye enkwawa. Akambira. Ameketa amannyo juzi ekiro yali annumya olugalo. Obina oyo Munigeria alya kacukamba awunya akamwa. Atayagala kiisi buli kaseera. Bannange Obina yantama ekyana kiriwa.
Bakikola boti. Kushoto. Wasomako amaje? Kushoto. Mukupanda. Kulia. About that.
nakutumye muganda olese muzungu.
Sema muzungu nno ojja kutya.
Gala. Nkujjemu.
Twagadde nnyo.
Nkujjemu. Hello. Hello Z. Hello Z. Eno motoka kati walesa wishi wa basi basi.
Onagiraba. Onagiraba.
Pajero bitama. Hello. Wai kama yuli nichi.
Erinda ko usika ko chikulu.
Hello.
Agami.
Oro.
Aro.
Orota.
Katoro kaji. Katoro. Hello. Amalo kwesetinga mwana. Omuliro mungi battery ezikoledde. Olutololoza lwangu. Aki. Aboli. Ayumtolo.
Ego.
Mpako. I mean
papier.
Empako yawe.
What is this?
Empako yange ni akiki.
Akiki nyowaboli.
Eyawe na boli.
Aboli amuti atenyi.
Nga wekomba.
Masanyalaze gankubye. Kakati.
Ego.
Can you akeso? Can you be the one? Can akeso ngolo mulutolo? Can you sing for me?
Oh. Okay.
I want to prove that you're told from Chenyo.
Okay. Close your eyes.
I close my eyes. Kagena imba manziliza. Can I touch you?
Close your eyes.
Can you sema loka feeling am now?
Close your eyes.
Close my eyes.
Close your eyes.
Demutemera kono. Kagena kunyingira nga siraba. Okay. Ganda wange kino kyonkoze. Kano ngenda kalya boyiro. Ati kambalira akapiira kaki. Nekansubize.
Oli mu kintu.
Kansubiridde kikati.
Naawe ebyabo.
Muganda kino kyonkoze. Kamu oyina gundi mobile number. Oyo omukazi yantama oyo mu Nigeria. Emweyo. Oyo bina. Kyetaka kuwa butwa. Omukazi yantama yonna kumidde alinga ati kulira akana katolo. Akatolo. Hitamu. Akatolo mama. Akatolo. Oyo bina nakukwata ku kwasi. Owulira nangalinga kulinyako ebigere. Ayina okunyaka mwa. Oyo omukazi yantama. Banange mbwa y'omukazi oyo. Nobulira omwana omutolo. Ulira mama. Ulira omugalo. Ulira mama obukono. Kana kakukakulu. Kalina emyaka emeka.
Kati oddala ojja kawulaka.
Bannange kalina n'embuzi yaako. Egibulira ewunya. Ulira embuzi ewunya. Naye obiina mwatulanga akabizi akakalirire.
Olijanga afaanana. Kwogera ku kintu no.
Era oyo omukazi tumusanga envange. Lindako. Sokoveewo kanyingiro nga tulipo. Genda, kalina esonyi linda. Okay. Faawa ogenze. Genda mbegayiridde njagala kabikole tubikole. omwana omutwale.
Oye!
Eh?
Taata!
Kiki?
Laboni kyekoledde!
Kasita batafiiramu.
Ate ngamba!
Eh?
Taata wange!
Eh?
Emmese bagisazeeko omutwe.
Kasita esigaza omukira.
Tositegeera kye ngamba. Taata wange!
Eh?
Landani! Eyasa omuliro.
Eyasa omuliro?
Bannange muganda wange! Amasiro gayidde!
Amasiro gayidde?
Gayidde!
Katikkiro anaagasaawo kasita kyakende ettafaali.
Tositegeera bannange.
Lwaki?
Taata! Sebange ya nnyonyi!
Lwaki?
Sebange ya nnyonyi!
Ennyonyi ebadde ki? Bakankwata ku mutwe.
You, Momo, you'll be eating my wood. Now I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to cut it off.
Obina!
What?
Madame!
What?
Obina!
Hey!
Obina! Obina! Obina!
Oye!
Tumalele, tumalele.
Oye!
Obina! Obina!
Madame!
Obina!
Awasanga abasinga
Obina!